Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. These days we're all trying to be a little bit healthier and there are lots of collagen options, but this one from Zhou Naturals has been a really great product that I've been using and just wanted to share some of my feedback. What I really love about it is that whether you're blending it into something that is cold or hot, it blends in so nicely. It has no taste to it, so you blend it in and you get those benefits without really knowing that it's even there. I just use a little bit, and I'm also noticing that I'm starting to feel a lot better. It's great for your skin and hair growth. Collagen has lots of benefits that you can read about, but the most important thing is to go with an option that blends really well and does not have any kind of taste. As you can see, the granules are really smooth and fine. They're great to mix into anything, and I'm really loving using this collagen. But that's just my point of view.